In this video, I will try to explain what is Forex market. I would like to explain more details so you can understand what is Forex, Forex trading, and what you can expect on the Forex market. Here on the left side, I have written an article on the Get Know Trading website where you can find also all the details that you would like to know about this topic. And I will use this article as a guide what to talk in this video lesson. Then on the right side I have here a demo account with $8,000 on my trading account, and I would like to use this chart just to show you trading examples so you can understand what is Forex market while I am explaining to you more details about the Forex market. I will use gold against US dollar on the 4-hour time frame and also 1-hour time frame just for your information. Now let's start with this topic. Now, what is the Forex? Here it is, the topic, what I will talk about. What is exchange on the Forex market? How to make money? What is the market structure? What is Forex market hours? When the market is open? When does the Forex open on Saturday? Then when it is opening time in London, in New York, when the market closes, what is Forex hour chart and Forex market news. Then it will be a conclusion. So I will try to give you as much detail as possible just to inform you what is the market structure so you can understand what is done on the Forex, what is Forex trading, and how to use that in your favor. Now, if you are just starting, trading on Forex is not very easy because it takes a lot of time to learn the basic terms, how to use the tool. For example, this is the MetaTrader 4 platform I'm using for trading, and for the analyzing, here are the quick access toolbar with several tools that you can use, and then here is the chart. The chart, whenever you start with this trading platform, this is something that you get, for example, like this. So it's not very easy to understand what happens on the market just looking on this chart. It's not very easy. So you need to prepare the charts ready for analyzing and trading. And this is the way how to do that. First of all, I completely remove everything and then I put the different candle colors, so it is very easy to understand what is the bearish color, which means bearish candle, which means which candle it is when the price is moving from the upside to the downside. So it is black, and when the price goes up, this means it is a white candle. So it is much easier to distinguish which is when the price is moving up and when the price is moving down. Now, Forex market, what is the Forex market? It is the market where large players, for example, like banks, and then also you as a small trader, you are exchanging the currency. And that means a trading currency where you can exchange one currency for another, and also where you can trade these currencies, the currency symbols. And that means, for example, we have gold, here it is, against US dollar, where we can define will the price go up or will the price go down. If you define the correct direction, you make money. If you miss direction, then you will lose money. This is the basic term that you need to understand what is Forex market and what is done. Now, what is exchange on the Forex market? Well, there is interbank market. You can see that here. It is a market that is not accessible to us because we are small retail traders that we need a broker in order to get access to the Forex market. Our broker then goes and sends a request to the interbank market. Where are the banks located? The banks, because of the large sum of money they have on their portfolio and where are they exchanging that money, they are exchanging between each other banks. So it is called interbank market. Now, how to make money? In Forex, on the Forex market, I will not get into details about interbank market, how the banks are exchanging the currencies between each other, but just to give you information, an interbank market is the market where one bank have one currency and needs to exchange for another, but that another currency has in another bank. So between those two banks, they exchange currencies. They give them, for example, gold and other currencies, for example, Croatian kuna. So they exchange these two currencies, and that exchange is done on the Forex market, which is also called interbank market, where the banks are exchanging those currencies. Now, for us as a trader, the only thing that you will need to know about the Forex trading is to define where the price will go. In this case, I have gold against US dollar. So the current price for the gold is $2,361.81. Now, will the price go in the future? Just a minute. Let's take it like this. Will the price go in the future up, or it will go down? Now, how to make money? In order to make money on the Forex, you need to precisely define where the price will go. If you define the price will go up, then you will make money. But if the price goes down, but you have defined it will go up, then you will lose money. How that works? Now let's take a look here. In my case, for example, I will define that the price will go up. Why the price will go up? Because I see that the price is going for several hours. It has gone and started moving up. So I will click here, a new order. So you need to open an order in order to start trading on the Forex market. Now in this window, I can click sell by market or buy by market. If I click buy, this means I am defining that the price will go up. But if I click sell, then I'm defining that the price will go down from the current market price. And the current market price is visible here, these two prices. I will click buy because I would like to make money by deciding that the price will go up. So you can see this is the green dotted line. And here in this row, you can see all the details. Here on the right side, you can see the current profit. Am I in profit or in loss? But you can see, let's go to the smallest time frame, 1 minute. And 1 minute, let's take a look, just a minute. 1 minute, this is the candle here, just a minute. This white candle represents 1 minute. When 1 minute closes, the next candle opens and you can see that it forms its shape during 1 minute. After the minute has been over, it will open another one and it will be closed, this one. Now you can take a look while I'm talking about more details. Now you can see here the green dotted line. This is the price at which I have opened the order. So where the price will go in the future from this price level, it depends on the market. If I have defined correctly where the price will go in the future, I will make money. But if the price goes down against me, which you can see the price is currently doing that, I will be in loss. And you can see I am in minus $42 in loss currently. So this is the way how to make money, but it is also a way how to lose money. So you need to be correct and predict the correct direction of the price. Now, what is the Forex market structure? You can see that here the market on the Forex is pretty large, and you can see what is the daily turnover on the Forex market compared to the stock market for the New York Stock Exchange or Nasdaq. So you can see the difference is 1,000 times bigger than the stock market. So what is the market structure? What is behind that? Well, behind the market structure on the Forex is the banks, the banks, the funds that are exchanging lots of money, and they are trading on the Forex market just like we small traders are doing. Then there we are, the small retail traders that are also trading on the market, but we are very small amount of people and the traders, but also very small amount of money. Now, when the market is open, you can see that here the Forex market is open 5 days a week, from Monday to Friday. Now this will depend also on the country where you are living in the world, because sometimes on some countries the Forex market will start on Monday, but on some will start on Sunday evening. Now you will see here when the market opens on Sunday. If you live in London, then the Forex market opens on Sunday at 23 p.m. But the trading floor in London will open in the morning, depending on when it is the working time. It is 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning. Then you have the Forex market open time in New York will be on a Sunday from 5 p.m. Now you can see what is the difference. So in London, if you're living, it will be 23 p.m. on the Sunday, but if you are living in New York, it will be 5 p.m. Eastern time. So this is the way how the market starts. When the market opens on a start of the week, it will be Sunday or a Monday. Now, when does it close? Forex market close on Friday, different times in day. So if you live on the East Coast under Eastern time, you will have a market close on a Friday at 5 p.m. But if you live in London, then the market will close on a Friday at 11 p.m., which means 23 hours. Now, here is the Forex chart, which shows you a different trading session. Now you can see when the Tokyo starts, when the London starts, when the New York starts, and the Sydney. Now you can see this is the overlap between the Tokyo and the London, and then London and New York, and there is no overlap between the New York and the Sydney. And that means when the market starts on the London in the morning, somewhere around 1 o'clock afternoon, there is also New York that starts. Then there is a large amount of traders that are starting to trade between the London and New York session, which is the biggest and volatile market. You can see here on the chart this red candle and then green candle. They are much bigger than other candles in different trading session. Because of this large candles, this is just shows you that there is a large volatility, and that means a large trading activity between the traders when these two trading sessions overlap between the London and New York, because it is the time when most of the traders are trading on the Forex market. Now for the more Forex market news, they have a large impact because during this overlap on the London and New York session, most of the news are being published. So this published news are affecting how the market reacts. So there will be these news that will also trigger a large movement on the candles. We can see that here on the market that will form a large volatility, and volatility means when the price goes up and down. If the price goes, just a minute, for example, like this, the price is moving sideways. It's not moving up and down, or example, for example, like this. In this case, where the price is moving up and then go down. In this case, the price has stalled for a while, and that means the price is ranging, moving sideways. And this is the time when there is no news, there is no volatility on the market. Now, this is how the Forex news also is affecting. When the news comes out, especially when there is overlap between the London and New York session here on the chart, this will be the time where you can see large these spikes that will form on the chart. Now let's take a look here on one of the charts. Just a minute, I will try to find on a Friday when there is most of the news that are impacting the market. Here it is on the 21st of June. Sorry, let's check. Yeah, 24 was Monday, and 21st. Now you can see here, this is the European time, which you can see here. It is 14 o'clock. Now you can see at 14 and then starting at 3 o'clock, you can see a large movement compared to the same day. Let's take a look here. The day has started. You can see that here on the bottom. Here on the bottom, you can see what is the current time. So in the morning at 1 o'clock, this was a Tokyo session. You can see that here. During the Tokyo session, there were small candles. So there were a small amount of traders, and also the banks are not trading in the evening. They are starting at the London time and the New York time. And then in the morning, you can see smaller and smaller. And then in the morning, when there is a Tokyo and the London session, when they are overlapping, that will be around 8 and 9 o'clock, you can see large candles appears here because the larger volatility and more traders are active because we have a Tokyo and London session overlap. And then during the London session, there is also some kind of trading activity. And then when the New York starts overlapping with the London session, then you can see when the news starts, and you can see large candles and also large movement compared to the rest of the day when the day started. Then afternoon, when there is a closing London session, and when there is, just a minute, here around this one, it is a London session closing, and then you have only New York session active. And later on in the evening, around 9 o'clock, there is also New York session closing. So you can see here at 9 o'clock, there is small candles after that because there is a small volatility when there is only a Sydney session is active. And so on and so on. This is the way how also you can see how the market session works, and also these news which are published during the New York and London overlap is the most volatile and also how the news impacting. You can see that here by the large candles. Now this is the Forex market, how this works. This is the Forex market where the banks are trading behind on the larger scale, but also they are traders. You can see that as a retail trader, a small one that are similar like you and me. Now there is a time where the market opens. Forex market starts on Monday and starts to Friday, depending. Sometimes it is started on a Sunday evening. But also you can see how the overlap of the trading session impacting during the day from Monday to Friday. Now I hope you have understand what is the Forex market, how it is format, when it is open, when it's closed, and what means trading on the Forex. Now you can see this trade that I have open. Just let's go to the 1 minute so we can see more details. After the order has been opened, you can see that I have opened the order here. The price has moved up and down, and then eventually has moved down. Now you can see I have not predicted correctly the direction of the trade and also direction of the price. The price has gone down, so I am currently in minus $130. Well, this was a bad decision because the price has gone in the opposite way. So if I close the trade, I will reduce the account balance. So this is the point. What is the Forex trading? You are guessing, not guessing, you have ways, a trading system that can help you to increase the chances of being in profit, and that means increasing the chance, correctly predicting where the price will go. Will it go up or it will go down? I hope this was helpful to understand what is Forex market, how it works, when it's open and when it's closed, what is the structure, and what happens on the Forex market. If you have any questions regarding this topic, feel free to ask. I will try to answer as soon as possible. And if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. Share with other traders. See you next time and happy trading.